Hey everyone, Sam Battersby with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our Brilliant Finish foam cannon. As we always say, it's best to get the most dirt and debris off of your paint with a chemical step before going after it with a mechanical step. A foaming wash is the absolute safest way to rid your paint of the larger particles that could contribute to wash-induced scratches and swirls during a standard bucket wash. The Brilliant Finish foam cannon utilizes a corrosion-resistant electroplated aluminum manifold, which features a patented rifled barrel that increases the frothiness of your foam output. Rubberized grip on the nozzle and the fluted reservoir ensure that you'll still be able to grip them even with soapy hands. It also features a corrosion-resistant stainless steel weighted pickup ball attached to the chemical-resistant surgical-grade silicone tubing, which ensures you get every last drop of washing solution from any angle. It should be noted that this foam cannon is not to be confused with a foaming sprayer, so it will require the use of a pressure washer. And if you have one with a little higher output above 2500 psi, we've included a 1.25 millimeter jet that should replace the pre-installed 1.1 millimeter jet for optimal performance. The cap of the cannon features dual threads that will accept the included reservoir or our 22 and 35 ounce bottles. But for the most efficient use of your washing solutions or concentrates, it's recommended to pre-mix them in the reservoir. Simply look at the back of the included manual for the recommended product dilution ratios and add that amount to the reservoir. Fill the remainder with water, give it a shake, and let the foam fly. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.